Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and ooh, I'm excited. Today we have our November Vellabox in. Elves, get excited. Y'all know we like our monthly candle subscription, and I love to unbox them with you all to show you the lovely goodies I get each and every month. But alas, before we get into that tea, elves, you know what time it is. First things first, lipstick of the day, everyone. Lipstick of the day. I'm in a purple mood. I'm here for it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hey everyone, lipstick of the day is by MAC, and it is Up the Amp lipstick. Get into it. This is an oldie but goodie. It's an amplified cream, so it's very creamy and it pops. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As usual, my face is always in the description box, so you don't have to worry. Next up, everyone, is fragrance of the day. We gotta smell good. I'm starting to realize that I reach for this scent a lot on Fridays, especially. And yeah, I decided to pull for my MFK, or Macy's Francis Kirk Jean Paris Baccarat Rouge 540 EDP, the original. Yes, I've been pulling for this one more. It's very nice. It's always a crowd pleaser. It's an easy reach. And it just, to me, encompasses Friday in a bottle. I'm loving it. Very much so. So alright, elves, let's get into our Vellabox for November. I'm excited to unbox it with you all. So yeah, let's have some fun. So here you are, we have our standard box. It always comes in. I like how small and very easy it is to store. It's very easy to ship. It fits in your mailbox very easily. It's not a job. My hand is very small, and as you can see, that's the size of the box. I like that. So let's get into our third box here. All right, the message for this month is, may your glass always be half full. Okay, they have a lovely table setting. So this is the message on the inside. We like that. It's a nice holiday place setting going on there. And as usual, I have two candles. The packaging this month has a print on it. Normally the little bags don't have anything on there. Okay, they're stepping it up as we get close, you know, to Thanksgiving and all that. Okay, so the small candle this month is White Blend. That's what this is. And the notes are grapefruit, orange peel, vanilla, and cedar. Okay, interesting. Not quite necessarily a typical fall type of note sense, but let's see what happens. Oh, that grapefruit is out the gate. Oh, wow. And right behind it is an orange. Oh, this is a very citrusy candle. White wax, single wick. And this one is a 4-ounce candle. Okay. It actually almost smells like a beverage. Okay, but that's not a quintessential fall candle, so I wasn't expecting that. All right, the next one is our large style candle that comes in the box. And as always, I get the Viverine box, just if anybody's wondering. That's the biggest box they have. All right, the big candle is called Red Blend. Okay, white blend, red blend. That's giving wine vibes. Okay. So this one is the 8-ounce candle for the month, and it has a brown tinge type of glass, ambery brown. And red blend notes are blackberry, juniper, apple, and oak. Okay, now this is more so a fall candle type of scent. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. I like that. As always, these are artesian candles, so this is very bougie and it's very much giving that vibe. Both of these candles are, yes, soy wax candles. I know some people prefer soy over paraffin. These are soy wax candles. This one is definitely my favorite of the two. The red blend in this month's box, I like. So now let's get into the actual card and details so I can be correct about what we're reading here. So all right, everyone, this month it said Vellabox. You're used to seeing other candle makers in the box. However, this month we're taking a brief interlude to show off our own candle making skills. This year, Vellabox released our first ever line of branded candles. We've brought you the Signature Collection and other limited time seasonal scents, but in this box, we're shaking things up with a fun wine themed duo. Pour, sip, burn, and relax. This glass is half full. Okay. All right, and so this time they're from Vellabox this month. That's the company. So based out of Columbus, Ohio. I like. And okay, we also got a coupon for some more of their wine collection. So 10% off the wine flight, as they're calling it, this month's selection. Okay, November is kind of grown. I like it. And it has a code in here to use, Vella Vines, for 10% off. Okay, all of this will be in the description box. Don't worry. This is nice. Okay, this is really nice. Then we also got some recipes. We got a card box right here to see what this is. Yeah, this is a true unboxing because I'm like, oh wow. All right, so these are for you to write your own recipes on, so you can make your own signature cocktails, I'm going to say. So of course we're gonna go with the wine theme here. I like this. This is cute. Okay, so we have the official notes and write-up on the candles, again on the card that comes in the box. I love how you get so much information with these things, so you're not like in the dark, you're not just randomly getting candles. Okay, well, what's inside? So all subscribers, no matter what tier box you get, you will get the red blend candle. That's the big one, the one that's my favorite. You do get this one no matter what tier you get. So again, the notes are blackberry, juniper, apple, and oak. And this is the description for this one is full-bodied, round, and rich with the notes of blackberry, black cherry, and oak. It's a beautiful night with good food, good friends, and of course, good wine. Drink it up. Fun fact, I'm actually about to go to a wine dinner tasting party tonight myself, so this is so on brand and mentally where I'm at right now. I'm here for it. Then the next candle is the white blend one. This only comes in a Vivering box. This one again is grapefruit, orange peel, vanilla, and cedar. So the write-up on white blend is light and crisp with citrus notes and finished off with a sweet touch of vanilla. Tonight you're escaping the noise and winding down from a long work week. The colors of the sunset reflect your glass just before sundown. Cheers. This is just so bougie. I love it. I am really digging this box. So, all right, you all. So for this month, we went with wines. So let me know in the comments below, are you team white wine or are you team red wine? All right, because this is for everybody that's grown here, 21 and up. Thank you very much. And so befitting for a Friday night. I'm enjoying these candles. I look forward to burning them as always. Y'all will see them in a post-burn review. You know what we do here. But yeah, I'm intrigued. Definitely, again, I have to say, out of the two, red blend is my favorite. Even though, fun fact, I am a white wine drinker in real life. That is my favorite. So, elves, let me know in the comments below, which team are you, red or white? And yeah, until next time, everyone, I will catch y'all in the next video. Yeah, bye guys.